2,
3.
Tots
TV.
I'm a tot.
Je suis une Tots TV.
Tom.
Tiny.
We're the Tots on Tots TV. 1, 2, 3, boo! I'm a tot.
Je suis une Tots TV.
Tom.
Tiny, we love our house, our secret house.
It's a secret.
It's all right, they're not going to tell anyone.
Lovely donkey.
Our friend Donkey.
I'm a tot.
Je suis une Tots TV.
Tom.
Tiny.
We stay together every day.
1, 2, 3, boo!
I'm a tot.
Je suis une Tots TV.
Tom.
Tiny, we take our magic bag with us.
Sac magique, sac magique.
Elaine, it's a secret.
It's time to go now.
Come on.
I'm a tot.
Je suis une Tots TV.
Tom.
And Tiny.
Off we go together now. 1, 2, 3, boo! I'm a tot.
Je suis une Tots TV.
Tom.
And Tiny.
Off we go together now to see what we can see. What will we see?
Qu'est-ce qu'on va voir?
What will we see?
Hello, Jane.
Hello, Alan.
I wonder if you'd be kind enough to look after Muffy for me for a little while.
Yes, that'd be fine.
I shan't be long. Stay there, Muffy.
All
Stay
right,
there.
then.
Bye.
Muffy. Muffy.
It's
Jane!
Don't worry, Muffy. He won't be gone for long. What a nice name you've got, Muffy.
Jane surveille Muffy.
Yeah, Jane's looking after Muffy.
Muffy. What a lovely dog you are.
You've got such good hearing, you'll be the first to hear when your master comes back.
Oh, poor Muffy. She's sad.
We should try and think of a way to cheer her up, shouldn't we?
Yes.
J'ai une idée. You've got an idea, Tilly?
Sac magique, donne-nous une balle.
Et voilà! Oh, a ball. Oh. Where's she going? Hé, Muffy! Psst, viens!
Oh, I see. You want to play ball, do you? Come on, then. Go get the ball.
La 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 la.
Muffy est beaucoup plus heureuse maintenant.
Yeah, Muffy's really happy now.
Muffy's heard something. Her master's come back.
Oh, thank you very much.
Pleasure.
Come on, Muffy.
Ah,
There you go.
Muffy's really happy.
Parce que son maître est revenu.
Yeah, because her master's come back.
Muffy is a happy dog, happy dog, happy dog. Muffy is a happy dog because her tail is wagging. Wag, 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 wag.
Wag, 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 wag.
safe and sound.
Ark is where the animals come.
When the waters cover the ground.
One day, Mr. Noah was feeling very, very sad. Oh dear, oh dear. Please help me, said Mrs. Noah. Mr. Noah hasn't smiled for days. A little rocking might help, said Elephant. And a little tickling, said Lion. And Mr. Noah smiled. Elephant blew on him gently. Do you know, I've had such a lovely dream, said Mr. Noah. Good, said Mrs. Noah. I'm so pleased that all our animals on our ark are such clever animals.
Now, Tilly,
Oui,
we're making it all nice for Tiny.
oui. Hé, Tom. Chut, c'est un secret.
Shh, it's a secret.
Oui.
Tilly, tell me if you see Tiny.
D'accord. Oh, Tom, voilà Tiny. Vite, viens.
Wait, Tiny.
Oh.
Sorry, you can't come in.
Oh, why not, Tom? Oh, come on, Tom. Look, I have to get in.
Tiny, now you can't.
Ow.
You can't come in.
Why not? Tiny, apporte cette carotte à Donkey, s'il te plaît.
Oh, yeah. Tiny.
Yeah.
Would you take this nice carrot to Donkey, please?
But we've already fed the donkey, Tom.
Allez, Tiny.
Yeah, go on, Tiny, please.
Oh, but Tom, now we fed the donkey
Au
already.
revoir, Tiny,
Yeah.
au revoir.
Bye-bye, Tiny.
All right, give me the carrot.
Allez.
I'll feed the donkey. I've got a carrot for donkey. Here you are, donkey.
Tom, vite, c'est Tiny. Viens.
Chop, 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 chop. Tom, Tilly, will you let me in, please?
Bonjour, Tiny.
Hello, Tiny.
Tiny, est-ce que tu peux apporter cette pomme à Donkey? Merci.
Yeah, take that to Donkey.
Take this to donkey?
Yeah.
Oui, but I've already taken him a carrot.
He likes apples.
Ah oui,
Yeah.
beaucoup. Merci. Hein.
Right, then.
Au revoir.
Doppy, 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 doppy. Apple for donkey. There you are, donkey. Do you want to take it?
Nice bit of green in there.
Et Tom, regarde ces magnifiques tartes vertes pour Tiny.
Nice green touch for Tiny.
Oui,
Tilly,
oui,
that's Tiny's favourite colour.
oui, je sais.
Oh, Tilly! What are you doing? Oh, Tom, Tilly! Let me in!
Sorry, Tidy, can't come in yet.
Not Tom. Tilly, what are you doing? You big nasty bananas. Donkey, donkey.
Oh là là. Viens, Tom.
Yeah, quick, make it all nice for Tidy.
Those silly old banana tots. Why won't they let me in? I'm all sad now. You still love me, don't you, donkey?
Allez, Tom, viens.
Tidy!
Tiny, viens.
Yeah, you can come in now. Tidy?
Tiny.
Quick, come on.
D'accord. Allez, viens, Tiny, on a une surprise pour toi.
Yeah, come out, Tidy. Got a lovely surprise for you.
No, go away. I don't want to come in the house anymore. You've made me all sad.
Oh dear.
Mais
Tidy?
Tiny, on t'aime beaucoup, tu sais.
Yeah, sorry, Tidy. We love you very much.
Well, why wouldn't you let me back in then?
Tidy,
Yeah.
come with us. We'll show you why.
Oui, allez, viens.
We got a lovely surprise.
A surprise. Oh, did you hear that?
Come on. Right, this way, Tidy.
Yep.
Now, open your eyes.
Right. Oh, it's a party. Oh, look at all this. Oh, and it's all green, my favourite colour. Yeah. Oh, what a lovely surprise. Oh, thank you, Dilly. Thank you, Tom. Do you know what? I'm not sad anymore. I'm happy. Brilliant. Fantastic. Oh, can I just have one of these?
Yeah, let's have a nice one.